Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about Apple Watch Series 3. In my previous videos, we discussed about Apple Watch Series 6 and Apple Watch SE. So in this video, we are going to talk about Apple Watch Series 3 because this is the entry level Apple Watch smartwatch, and if you are very low on budget but still want to experience the Apple smartwatch features, this is the best model that you can buy. Now I am going to explain its common features because in my previous two videos, if you have not watched it, I would suggest that you please go there and check out my videos. I will post the link in the description. So I will discuss the overview and I will give you in very short time that what are the features and what will you get when you go for this watch. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. So here Apple series is very base model, so you can say its entering price in India is around 20,900, and if you purchase it from any Amazon or Flipkart website with schemes and offers, then you can get it probably around 19,000 rupees. Now the same way like previous watch models of Apple, this also supports your rings. So in this picture you can see there are three activity rings which will show you how much you performed in a day, so you can keep track of your movements. So like you can see in this image, the pink or rather reddish color will look like how much movement you made in the day, and the green one shows you the exercise that you did. And there is one cool feature which is this blue color or light blue or sky blue will show you how much time you were stand. So if you are couch sitter or you want to sit every time, it will also show you how much time exactly were you standing on your foot. So this is nice, and these are the things which you need to take care, because in our daily routine we sometimes forget how much time we need to stand up or how much time we need to move around, and it will cause around our cardio to be very on the lower side. But you can track every way you work out, so this is most important because you will be not only getting the results but also you can keep track of all your activities in a day, and that too very personalized, so your data won't be shared with anything and the privacy matters in this regard. So this is a very cool feature if you are finding this on an entry level smartwatch. And there are a lot of features like it is splash proof, swim proof and surf proof. So basically even outdoor conditions, you are working around, you are running or you are doing any kind of regular stuff, you won't have to worry about these things. You will get your proper time. Also it supports Apple Music inbuilt app, so you can listen to your music while doing your workouts and your activities. There are also certain matrices which you can see, so these are the data and these are the stats, which facts that you can get for your day-to-day activity. So you can measure it, take note of it and compare it with your previous data, so you can always do much better than the before. Also this watch also supports calling, but here's the catch: there are certain features which are not available right now, so you have to select which one supports the calling feature. And you can also answer your text from the watch itself, so this is really nice. It also supports voice assistant Siri, so this is really nice. And also you can ping your iPhone and hear and see where it's hiding. So basically if you somehow manage to lose your iPhone, which is not possible, but let's say you had this opportunity that you kept your iPhone somewhere and you want to find your iPhone immediately, so there is this switch ping. Whenever you press this button, your iPhone will start making voice noise and making some sound, and you can always find it where it's hidden. And also the most important feature is the wallet. So what happens, you can store your boarding pass, movie tickets or reward cards in this app. So suppose you are boarding a flight, so you don't have to open your phone for that, just open your wallet in this Apple Watch and you can see or you can show this to your officials. It's a very cool feature. There is also one sleep app which keep tracks of your sleeping pattern. There are maps, you can live track your movements, and also you are not going to lose out or you are to missing out if you somehow manages to go somewhere where there are not very signboards are available. So basically I want to say is that you will be able to find your way back home, and regardless of what you can also unlock your Mac just by wearing your watch. So this is a cool security feature. So just you can use your Apple Watch to unlock your MacBook. So that's very cool feature, and it is also certain and new thing which you won't have to rely on your MacBook, and it keeps your privacy and safety at your hands. So these are the available colors, so you can interchange straps. So this is really nice. So you won't have to get bored every day. You can choose your straps, you can purchase it online on Apple Store and other websites. So another feature is that your reminders, your notifications, so all your reminders and notification from your phone will be shown in your watch. So this is really nice feature. And you can also, if you are female, you can track your menstrual cycles with a tab. So this is a cool feature for those who wants to get clear picture of their services. And there is emergency services. So in a situation of emergency or panic situation, you can always make some emergency calls, or you can just use some services which will be calling your nearest one, hospitals, your services, or your police station, or your security service. So it's a really cool feature. Also you can keep an eye on your heart rate with heart rate health notification. So basically it will tell you what is your exact heart rate and your resting rate. So you can always track your heart 24/7, which will give you assurance that you are doing well and you are not getting into any trouble. So you can also download many apps from the App Store, which is already inbuilt in the watch. Also there are 3 models overall. So in my previous 2 videos I have already covered Apple Watch Series 6, which is the premium watch segment, and Apple Watch SE, which is the mid-range segment, which comes with many features, and Apple Watch Series 3 is, which are talking right now, is the entry level smartwatch. So the size of the dial is 42 mm or 38 mm case size, so you will get 2 choices. It supports retina display, but right now it does not support cellular services. In India you will only get GPS enabled watch, so limited functionality will be given, and you can check high and low heart rate notification or irregular heart rhythm notification, and it is water resistance to 50 meters. So this is very cool feature. And in this video I am just going to give my final verdict. So if you just want to get Apple Watch experience and you don't want to spend much of your money, then you can always go for the Apple Watch Series 3, which is very decent watch, and it will not cost you much. Also it will give you many functionality. But if you want to experience full feature of a smartwatch that Apple gives, then you can always go for higher models. So this is all up to about your personal preference. But for females and students, or just working individuals who are working on salary and just want to keep track of your health, so I would suggest initially you can always go for Apple Watch Series 3. So it's a very entry level model. It will be beneficial for you. Also in my next part of the video I will discuss Nike edition Apple Watch, and I will also talk about its feature. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for staying on my video. I'll see you next time. Bye.